And so what is it? A title decider? Certainly not. A title eliminator? Very possibly. Lose here, and the chance even to compete for it may begin to seep away. Liverpool in search of re-ignition, having stalled either side of Christmas Day. 5 of the last 6 points have escaped them. Suddenly the margins don't favour them. A penalty that got away for him. Moments. They need their moments back. And he certainly has been. And here is Sadio Mane for Liverpool. He's around Mendy, and Mane scores! He's due that. They were hungry for that. It has been a blistering start to the game, and Liverpool strike first. Alexander-Arnold, it's a super ball for Mo Salah, and Salah's wriggling in and scoring. As deft and expert as the Egyptian is, week on week.
This is much more clinical. I mean, the ball over the top was superb.
And for Mo Salah, it is a 150th goal in English football. And Alonso flashes it in, and Kelleher applies a knuckle, back by Kovacic! Oh, super goal! And Chelsea reignite it!
Well, so often it comes from a player as well who's not really involved in scoring goals.
Forward by Alexander-Arnold, back by Rudiger. Here's N'Golo Kanté. He's played it through here for Christian Pulisic! Happy New Year!
Yeah, that was the key moment in terms of Rudiger just pinching it from Salah. And then it was a case of, have they got runners? Well, yes, they do. They got both Pulisic and Mount.